So making your very own cutting board wax or butter is really easy. First of all you need is a crock pot. Make sure you get a dedicated one for the shop and leave the one that you got as a wedding gift alone. I start off by putting the crock pot at high. For my cutting board wax, I like to use a 4-to-1 ratio. So in this case, 64 ounces of mineral oil to 16 ounces of beeswax pellets. So on high, it's about 30 minutes to heat the oil up first. After that, I pour in the beeswax pellets. And about an hour or so after that, you've got some wax goodness. I use a ladle to pour it into a measuring cup with a spout. And these are 4-ounce tins I got from Amazon. After about 18 hours of cooling, I put the tops on and add my sticker. And it's just as simple as wiping it on with a cloth or a shop towel and wipe it off, and you got yourself a beautiful board with wax or butter you made yourself.